Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about software in very easy words. Computer software is a general term that describes computer programs. Related terms such as software programs, applications, scripts, and instruction sets all fall under the category of computer software. Therefore, installing new programs or applications on your computer is synonymous with installing new software on your computer. Software can be difficult to describe because it is virtual, or not physical like computer hardware. Instead, software consists of lines of code written by computer programmers that have been compiled into a computer program. Software programs are stored as binary data that is copied to a computer's hard drive when it is installed. Since software is virtual and does not take up any physical space, it is much easier and often cheaper to upgrade than computer hardware. While at its most basic level, software consists of binary data, CD-ROMs, DVDs, and other types of media that are used to distribute software can also be called software. Therefore, when you buy a software program, it often comes on a disk, which is a physical means of storing the software. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and support us so that we can continue our free educational videos. Press like button and share this video. Thanks for watching us. Easy Talks.